Ready to dive into the crypto world and grab some USDT with your PayPal account? First, head over to Paxful and either log into your existing account or quickly sign up for a new one, verifying your email and completing any required KYC steps. Once logged in, navigate to the Buy section, select USDT from the cryptocurrency drop-down menu, specifying that you want to buy USDT. Next, select PayPal as your payment method. This will filter available offers from sellers who accept PayPal. Browse through the list of offers, paying close attention to the exchange rate, seller reputation, and limits. Look for sellers with high positive feedback and a good number of completed trades to minimize risk. Carefully review the terms and conditions of the offer before proceeding. Some sellers may require ID verification or have specific instructions for the PayPal payment. If you're happy with the offer, enter the amount of USDT you want to buy and click Buy Now. Follow the seller's instructions carefully and send the PayPal payment only to the address provided in the trade chat on Paxful. After sending the payment, immediately click the Paid button to notify the seller. Do not, and I repeat, do not release your USDT until the seller confirms they've received the funds. Once the seller confirms receipt, your USDT will be released directly into your Paxful wallet, and that's it. You've successfully purchased USDT with PayPal on Paxful. Now you can start trading.